Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the pattern screen lock in this device. So in this device I didn't set any screen lock, just swipe up, it is unlocked. So let me show you how to set the pattern screen lock. For this, go to settings and scroll down, tap on the option security and privacy, tap on device unlock, tap on screen lock. To set the pattern screen lock, tap on the option pattern. So here we need to draw the pattern. The pattern must contain at least 4 dots. Tap on next. Again confirm the pattern, tap on confirm. And this is for your lock screen. According to your choice, you have to select any one from the 3. Tap on done. Now let me show you how it works. Tap on this one. Now you can see they are asking for the pattern screen lock. Now draw the pattern. It is unlocked. So in this device you can see the path of the pattern you can see. So if you want to disable this path, then again go to the device unlock. Then after this one you can see one settings button. Tap on this one. So here you can see the option make pattern visible. Just disable this one if you don't want to view the path of the pattern. Now let me show you how it works. Lock the device, try to unlock, draw the pattern. Now you can see the path is disabled, invisible. So simply in this way you can set the pattern screen lock in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.